Here are events that happened today in history. In 1814, Britain and the US signed the Treaty of Ghent, officially ending the War of 1812. In 1865, the KKK is founded in Tennessee with the goal of restoring white supremacy in the American South. In 1877, Thomas Edison files a patent for the phonograph, a device that records and plays back sound. In 1923, at the White House, President Calvin Coolidge lights up the country's first national Christmas tree. In 1968, Apollo 8 astronaut William Anders takes the Earthrise photograph, one of history's greatest. In 1979, the Soviet Union begins its failed 9-year invasion of Afghanistan, securing Kabul within days. In 2008, a Ugandan rebel group begins a 4-day series of attacks against civilians in Congo.